In a super bright neon city full of giant billboards and glowing soda machines, the Saja boys were getting ready for something very serious.
Narrator. Genu stood in front of the mirror, fixing his hair for the 100th time. Genu, we have to be extra cute today. Kids don't just like cool, they like fun.
Baby was already fun. He was sitting on the floor, surrounded by candy wrappers, trying to balance a lollipop on his nose.
Narrator. Abby spun around and posed. Abby, I was born to be on camera.
Narrator. Mystery, of course, tried to act mysterious. Mystery. I don't do cute.
Narrator. Romance walked in carrying a notebook. Romance. I wrote a script. We smile. We sing soda pop. We wave to the kids. Nobody falls. Nothing explodes.
Narrator. Everyone nodded. Genu. Okay, so we all agree. No chaos today.
The cameras turned on. Bright lights, colorful set, giant fake soda cans, glittery stage.
Genu counted them in. 3, 2, 1.
The music started. Saja boys began their choreography, perfectly in sync. Baby waved to the camera, smiling so hard his eyes disappeared. Kids watching around the world were already screaming at their screens, "Baby!" Everything looked perfect. Until the giant plastic soda prop behind them started to wobble.
Genu? The soda is dancing too.
We just ignore it. We stay professional.
The soda prop ignored the script, tipped over, and rolled across the stage like a runaway bus. Abby tried to dodge it in a cool way. Instead, he slipped, spun around, and accidentally did the most amazing dance move ever.
Keep rolling. This is gold.
For the next part of the video, they had a bubble machine to make everything look magical for the kids.
I am too cool for bubbles.
The bubble machine turned on. There weren't just a few bubbles. There were about 1 million. They flew everywhere, over the stage, over the lights, into Mystery's hair.
Baby started chasing them like an excited puppy. He forgot the choreography completely and just spun in circles, laughing and yelling, "Look! I caught one!" Oh, it popped!
Abby tried to keep singing and dancing, but a big bubble landed right on his mouth. He suddenly sounded like he was singing underwater. Romance slipped on a soap spot and ended up sliding across the floor, right past the camera, still singing perfectly. The cameraman was laughing too hard to stop filming. Mystery tried to stay serious. Then a bubble landed on his nose and just sat there. The kids would later pause the video right on that frame and screenshot it 1,000 times.
Narrator. Finally, they gathered to film the last shot. All 5 of them posing together, smiling and waving to the kids. Genu. Okay, guys, no more accidents. We look at the camera, we say, "Thank you," and we're done. Narrator. They lined up. Genu in the middle, leader pose, Abby with his model face, Mystery trying to be cool but still a bit soapy, Romance holding his script, Baby holding a giant plastic soda straw like a sword.
Director, action. Genu, thank you for watching.
Narrator. Before he could finish, Baby accidentally leaned on the confetti button. Narrator. A massive blast of rainbow confetti exploded over them. For a second, nobody moved. They were buried in sparkles. You could barely see their faces. Then a tiny hand popped out of the confetti mountain. It was Baby, waving. Baby. Do it again. Narrator. The entire studio burst out laughing.
Aftermath. When the video was uploaded, it became one of the most watched kids' videos online. Kids didn't just replay the perfect dance parts. They replayed Abby's dramatic slip and spin, Mystery's serious face with a bubble on his nose, Romance sliding across the floor like a singing penguin, Baby setting off the confetti bomb at the end. In the comments, kids wrote things like,
Genu watched the comments and sighed with a smile. Genu. So, we tried to be cool, he said. Abby. Guess what? The kids love us more when we're silly. Narrator. Mystery adjusted his hair dramatically. Mystery. I suppose being chaotic idols is our brand. Baby. Okay, for the next video, can we have slime? Narrator. Romance looked at the camera and said, "Romance, someone stop him." Narrator. But of course, no one did. Narrator. And that's how the Saja boys became not just idols, narrator, but the kings of funny, messy, kid-approved chaos.